Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's episode, I'm going to take a deep dive into the cryptocurrency known as Myria. Just to be clear, whatever I say in this video is not financial advice, and I'd advise you to do your own research before you invest in any cryptocurrency. Please do stay to the very end and I will give you my price prediction on this crypto, and I will also highlight some of my concerns. Okay, let's dive in. So as you can see here, this is the Myria Twitter page. So Myria is a Web3 gaming ecosystem powering over 1 million users. Trade with zero gas fees on Myria L2. So they joined Twitter in 2021, but they only released their token a few months ago. So they're quite active on Twitter, which I like to see. They don't have any games out quite yet, but they are coming very soon. So as you can see here in CoinGecko, its price is coming in at 0.004. It's down 3.4% on the day. Its market cap is coming in just over 37 million. Its fully diluted market cap is 213 million. So its current circulating supply is 8 billion tokens with a max supply of 50 billion tokens. So you can purchase Myria on BingX, xt.com, Bitmart, OKX, and Gate.io. So this is Myria's website. It seems well polished and well built. So Myria is a decentralized Ethereum layer 2 built to empower digital assets, NFTs, and blockchain gaming. So as you can see here, this is Myria's ecosystem, and displayed here are all the up and coming games on Myria. So as you can see, the first three games here, Meta Rush, Meta Kart, and Block Royale, they are actually made by Myria Studios. So all the other games you see here then are just using the Myria ecosystem and its website to host their games. Now, my only issue with this project is some of these games just look absolutely terrible. And I'm sorry, that's just me being honest. What I don't like is many of the games on this platform are just copycats of other games. But taking a deeper look into their up and coming games like Meta Rush is in development. It's hard to know exactly when it's going to be released. This is some just photographs of the game itself. A hilarious multiplayer game that will have your sides splitting as you bounce, tumble, and bowl over your friends and foes. Battle it out through increasingly wacky landscapes and claim your spot in the Hall of Glory. The objective is simple. Get to the finish line first and don't fall to your doom while trying. Each match starts with a horde of players who get eliminated through a series of obstacles along the course to the final. The surviving players continue to battle in rounds with increasing difficulty until there's only one rustling standing. Then we have Meta Kart. So Meta Kart is very similar to Mario Kart, which I like. I used to love playing it on the Nintendo Wii. This looks like it has got a lot of potential. Drift around thrilling tracks in a race for the finish line. Have endless fun shooting at your opponents and wreaking havoc and all around you to gain extra points and climb the leaderboards. Dive into our numerous game modes and tracks to claim your rightful spot among the racing legends of Myriaverse. Are you ready for a crazy ride that is nothing short of hilarious? Hop into your shiny cart and race till your wheels burn. Can you handle the heat and destroy your opponents before they throw you off the track? Yeah, so this game seems pretty promising. Not exactly sure the release date. I was chatting to someone on their Discord channel and they're hopeful that it will launch early 2024. Then we have Block Royale. This game actually looks like it has good graphics. Eliminate your opponents in this fast-paced, action-packed survival game to achieve victory and claim the spoils of war. There can only be one hero or team standing. Yes, this game looks actually very promising as well. Hopefully it will get released at the early part of 2024. But as I said, these three games are coming straight out of Myria Studios. My only concern of this project is basically that because the games haven't been released yet, that is just a risk in itself. But that's why the market cap is very small. So it's high risk, high reward. Like I said at the start of the video, please do your own research before you put money into any cryptocurrency. But in my opinion, if they do launch the games and they are a success, then Myria is an absolute gem at these prices. So I'm very excited to see how Myria will perform. This is a highly ambitious crypto and I really hope that the team pulls it off. You can see since launch, it's sold off quite a bit and it started to form a bottom. And as of recent, we did see this explosive move right here. So here we are in Etherscan, and as you can see, there's only a total of 6,546 holders. Now that is very small considering the amount of followers it has on Twitter. It had over 220,000 followers on Twitter with only 6,546 holders. That is very, very small. Now I know this is a low market cap coin, so in the bull run, it has lots of room to run. And I'll get into the tokenomics later on in the video. So as you can see here in the holders on Etherscan, there are holders that do hold over 21% of the total supply. Now, I'm not currently concerned about this because like all NFT gaming cryptos that are new, that are starting off, a lot of the supply hasn't even been released yet. They have a proper vesting schedule, so this is quite normal to see. So as you can see here, the team is fully doxed. I will leave a link in the video description and you can have a look at the team yourselves. Andrew Silber, he is the co-founder and CTO. Andrew has a long and deep-seated love for all things gaming. He always enjoyed playing games as a kid, starting with his Fairchild Channel F console back in 1976. However, his love for gaming really took shape after he started working in the industry. Prior to co-funding Myria, he held a 27-year career in professional video games technology development at some of the most recognizable names in the industry, including Activision, Electronic Arts, to Kate, Ubisoft, Sony, and Midway. So in my mind, I think Andrew Silber definitely has the experience and expertise to pull this off. Myria is an ERC20 utility token, fully audited by Hackin. The token is used for transactions on Myria's Layer 2 L2 scaling protocol, lightning fast with zero gas fees. Myria is a rapidly growing hub for high quality global gaming projects that need secure scaling solutions minus the gas fees and congestion. Myria will be distributed to ecosystem builders and contributors, node operators, and other participants, creating a circular economy between all users to facilitate and accelerate ecosystem growth. So Myria utility. The Myria utility token is used for the nodes, staking, protocol fees, governance, additional in-game utility, and exclusive NFT purchases. Token and supply allocation. So the total supply of Myria tokens is 50 billion and will be gradually released in the line with a sensible vesting schedule. The token unlock schedule vesting period differs depending on the allocation type. Token distribution. So ecosystem fund 40%, node emissions 36%, strategic revenue 2%, project development team 19%, and TGE and liquidity provision 3%. So there's a capped total supply of 50 billion tokens. So you can see the vesting schedule. So it seems pretty okay considering that there isn't much supply on the market currently. So ways to get Myria tokens. So obviously you can buy them off an exchange, or you can also stake your tokens and get more, receive yield, receive a grant and start building on Myria, become a Myria node operator and get rewarded for securing the network. Become an active participant in the Myria community and earn the Myria by contributing to the community. This is Myria white paper. I'm not going to read it all, but I'll just go through some of the most important bits that I think you might find interesting. At its core, Myria combines the cutting-edge ZK rollup scaling solution by Starkware with NFT-specific proof logic to create one of the most progressive NFT trading protocols by batching hundreds of transactions into a single zero-knowledge proof known as ZK Stark, Zero Knowledge Scalable Transparent Arguments of Knowledge. It enforces the integrity and privacy of computations on blockchains using novel cryptographic proofs and modern algebra. ZK Starks allow blockchains to move compute to a single off-chain Stark prover and then verify the integrity of those computations using an on-chain Stark verifier. Myria has various revenue streams when users and creators will exchange the Myria token. Protocol fee. Myria will collect a fee from third-party licenses to use the Myria protocol for all trades executed. Marketplace fee. Successful sales of NFT assets on Myria's NFT marketplace will attract a fee. Primary sales fee. Myria will collect a fee from all primary sales minted using Myria protocol. A percentage of the entire ecosystem revenue, transaction fees from the NFT marketplace, store fees, protocol fees, etc., will circulate into Myria token staking in the future. Myria nodes underpin Myria's ecosystem. Each node contributes to the ecosystem's growth by providing functions necessary to run a decentralized and secure L2 network. There will only ever be 40,000 Myria nodes. Myria nodes operators will be contributing to the growth of the Myria ecosystem. Those who operate the node to the daily requirement will be rewarded with daily Myria distribution. Myria node operators contribute to the scaling of future digital asset ownerships. Nodes will be used for various activities including initial network tests, decentralized data storage, oracles, which are data fees that provide smart contracts with off-chain data and governance. So here are the tokenomics. So the total supply we know is 50 billion Myria tokens. So you can see that the node emissions get 36%, project development 19%, ecosystem fund 40%, strategic revenues 2%, and TG liquidity provision 3%. So this is the distribution schedule. So as you can see that it does have a lot of supply coming onto the market, but eventually it does just level out here. And we have seen in the past with Gala Games in the last bull cycle, it also had very similar tokenomics, and it still managed to pull off a $5 billion market cap. But I want to know what your thoughts on Myria. Type them in the comments below. Are you bullish on this project? Do you think it will get higher than a $5 billion market cap? Just for complete transparency, I am an investor in this project. So if I hear of any more updates, I will make another video and I will keep you updated. So I'd advise you to subscribe. So overall, I am quite bullish on this project. I like the fact that the team is doxed and it's not just, it's a gaming hub. You're not just betting on one game. It's very similar to the video I did previously on GFAL. If you haven't checked that one out, check it out here. If there's any other projects you'd like me to take a deep dive into, leave them in the comments below and I will try and make a video on them as soon as possible. So if I had to make a price prediction on Myria, it's very difficult with the token dilution, but I could easily see Myria reach a $5 to $10 billion market cap. So with the current prices today, I think you could easily see Myria going over 50 cents to $1, depending on token dilution. If I had to choose between Myria and GFAL, I'd have to pick both of them, to be honest. What are your thoughts? Tell me your favorites below. If you got value out of this one, please go down, hit the like, hit the subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.